Hey team, my name is Ashwin Patil and I lead our data modernization and analytics offering here at Deloitte. Most of what I do is helping our clients think through what's coming next in the world of AI and data and how they can drive sustainable value through those technologies and capabilities. So today we're going to talk about context-oriented data. Well, what is context-oriented data? When you think of context-oriented data, what you're really looking for is for an event that has occurred or a transaction that has occurred, how do I get to all the relevant variables associated with that transaction? I had a high month of sales, I had inventory shortage, I had something happen on profitability. So what are the pieces of information that are related to that event that I can use? Now, when you think traditionally, processes have been very linear, right? Meaning I get to a point in my process, business process, there is an application that supports that point in the business process, the data that I use to make decisions in that application, and that's how I got context. Well, in today's world of cloud computing, of driving AI and GenAI, of thinking about distributed architectures, the ability for clients to disrupt that linearity is pretty high. What that brings you is a high level of value as it pertains to decision-making at the speed of light and connectivity across the breadth of applications that you have in your landscape. So let's explore that a little bit. Cloud computing basically gives you unlimited scalability and flexibility as it pertains to your data and your ecosystem data, such that you're looking at your partners, your vendors, your customers, and are making decisions holistically. When you start thinking about AI, you're basically saying, how do I understand the variables that connect my data across this landscape and build intelligence that gets provided to me so that me as a human am working with the machine in some level of intelligence augmentation to be able to make decisions. Now, with things like GenAI, that has multiplied that intelligence by providing input through multiple modalities of data and not just textual information. Clients are able to use images, they're able to use video, they're able to use audio to be able to build that intelligence from what was traditionally available inside the company and what is available through external means, as well as public data that's available. Lastly, distributed architectures. In the past, clients would have to move all of that data into one single data location and then structure that data in a way to be able to use for intelligence. Well, today with mesh architectures, with data virtualizations, the possibilities are limitless in terms of you using these distributed architectures to still get the intelligence you need at the time you need it across multiple sources of data. The end result is that context orientation today is very different than context orientation some years ago, with the help of AI and data technologies as they come from cloud, as they come from storage, as they come from architectures and things like GenAI. I hope this was helpful and all the best with your AI and data endeavors.